Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Gama and we are the group 4. So I will present to you the service management specialization and session 4. So basic quality tools, root cause analysis, fundamental of business process outsourcing 102. So these are the fundamental problem solving techniques used to identify, analyze, and resolve quality issues within a process. They are often associated with total quality management, so usually refers to set graphical techniques, including flowchart, check sheets, histogram, Pareto charts, cause and effect diagrams, scatter diagrams, and control charts to make data-driven decisions rather than relying on the institution when trying to fix a process. So in the session objectives, at the end of this session, the student should be able to explain the step in root cause analysis, conduct brainstorming activities, conduct a root cause analysis using fishbone diagram. So apply 5 ways to determine root cause. So this session is designed to move from theory explaining steps to practice conducting activities. By the end, students should be able to lead a team through entire problem solving, um, process brainstorming ideas, organizations, um, and visual with fishbone diagram, and then digging deeper using the 5 ways to find the true root cause of business problem. So in the page 3, in the cartoon image, the manager in the cartoon is being subjective and defensive. He is protecting his ego instead of focusing on the system that led to the mistake. The cartoon is a warning that it shows that tools like fishbone diagram or 5 ways fail. 5 ways will fail. The organization culture is focused on finding someone to blame rather than finding the flaw in the system. So in the page 4, root cause analysis. RCA determines the most important root cause. RCA analysis the importance of relationship of root cause. RCA corrects that eliminates the cause to prevent recurrence. So these 3 points define RCA as a target, most important, analytical relationships, and corrective prevent recurrence, process designed to permanently fix problem by addressing their fundamental.
RCA key concepts. Identify the underlying or real causes of the problem. Analyze, understand why the failure happens by examining facts and contributing factors. Correct, eliminate. Fix or remove the root causes to prevent the problem from happening again. Application of RCA. Resolving customer complaints. Identify the real cause of complaints to provide lasting solution. Correcting internal finding. Determine why issues occurred and apply proper corrective actions. Addressing recurring problems. Find underlying causes to prevent problems from happening again. Step in RCA. 1 is define the problem and identify team clearly, describe the problem and assemble a team with the right knowledge and skills to investigate it effectively. Number 2 is determine main causes, analysis the situation to find the key factors contributing the problems using tools like the 5 ways or fishbone diagrams. Number 3 is select best solutions. Evaluate possible solutions and choose the ones that will effectively eliminate the root causes. 4 is create actions plans. So develop a clear plan to implement the solutions, assign responsibilities, and set timelines to ensure the problem is resolved and prevent from reoccurring. Define problem and identify team. Define problem before solving any issue. It's essential to clearly define it. This means understanding when it happens and occurred, how much impact it caused, who was involved, and where when it occurred. Without complaint and occurred information, you cannot identify the causal factors of the true root causes of the problem.
Define problem and identify team. Focuses on starting the problem-solving process correctly. The problem must be clearly defined and the right team should be chosen. Tools like Fishbone, 5 Whys, and Impact and Effort help identify and narrow down the root cause. Brainstorming generates many ideas quickly, no judgment or filtering, encourages creativity and inclusion. Brainstorming is about generating many ideas without criticism. It allows everyone to share freely and encourages creative thinking to uncover possible causes or solutions. Fishbone diagram. Used to identify and organize possible causes of a problem. Categories include people, machine, method, material, measurement, environment. The fishbone diagram organizes possible causes of a problem into categories such as people, machine, method, material, measurement, and environment. It helps teams analyze issues in a structured way. Fishbone diagram shows how causes are placed under different categories leading to one main problem. It visually connects all contributing factors to help identify the real root cause.
5 Whys the washing machine. Problem description. Machine is 2 weeks old. Serial number 2345017. When doing the 4th load of clothes, I heard a loud noise and the machine stopped. It wouldn't restart. Investigate why. Problem verification. Service technician checks washing machine operation to test producer. Number 8496, the machine does not operate. Power off. Machine unplugged. Fuse missing. Machine overheated. Machine doesn't work. Root cause of our example. Root cause: inadequate work instructions. Can the design be changed to eliminate the need for a seal? Can the design be changed to make it impossible to omit the seal? Can a fixture be made to make it impossible to omit the seal? Summary. Root cause analysis using a fishbone diagram. Problems form measurement devices or methods. People, machine method or producers use, materials use, environment. 5 ways to determine root cause. Start with the problem. Keep asking why.